Higher Education Corruption Against Karni CTAN with Nagaland Net Qualify Forum Khan lead Kurgina Jai Thakya Ajura 4th day of 147 regularization revoke Krubole protest Rakilusha Aro Ajilaga protesti aspirant student researchers scholars Aro parents inika participate Kurgina thousands of concerned citizen Jama Krida witness Krubo Pariase. Protest Jai Thakya charter demand toili immediate revocation order of dated 17 December 2024 assistant professor and librarian across government college Nagaland state aro June 6 2016 picheti contractual post appoint kurgina thakya khan sob immediate requisition kri digina NPSC common educational service examination ti ulai dibole koi dia ase aro April 21 2025 committee from kurgina thakya immediately dissolve kurlogina direct order revoke kurole strongly khara kurigina demand ja ase aro fulfill nakura takte demand ja thakibo koina jonai di ase. Khoborte Nagaland Baptist Church Council NBCC kantu public appeal issue kridigina justice and righteousness in the state reinvade kurgina ja thaka social and moral challenges of corruption violence and disunity hatai lobole koi di ase. NBCC General Secretary Reverend Dr. Mar Pongnir released Nagaland State majority Christian population state hoina widespread issue of killing, rape, extortion, nepotism aro community division continuously face kurasa aro itukhanbra society ti spiritual and moral disconnect kri thakya koi dia ase. Reverend P biblical teaching refer kri digina justice and righteousness brought central of Christian faith aro itubra personal conduct eklan hogina public life reflect krubole parbo koi di shekli true justice brought fairness and impartiality aro righteousness toli moral integrity and ethical behavior lakibo koi di ase. Itukani church and political leaders kanji democratic integrity and servant leadership thakbole NBCC urge kudigina families and educational institution kanji future granted in justice, compassion, and unity aim kurgina strong value of youth install kurbole ko disha aro church, government, civil society aro concern goodwill kan sob pra faithfulness and courage kani ikilogo khara kurgina pathana kurbole time aija se koi dia ase. Terrorist attack Palhagram Jammu and Kashmir ti Hwasat India side bra firing na kurgina diplomatic revenge Pakistan khan ki uthai disha aro ja kalisam Prime Minister chart kurgina CCS meeting rakhilabra Indus Water Treaty cancel kuri digina Atari post close down visa ban aro military advisor higher commissioner khan ki country bra ulai jabole decision rakhilabra to Pakistan economy badly affect hobole thakya dekhibo pare ase. Ete khatsate murija 28 jon hoi jaise koina latest report paile ase aro terrorist organization khan bra responsibility claim kura ase hulipi India bra to directly Pakistan responsibility uthai digina within 24 hours machiti cabinet committee on security CCS chairperson of Prime Minister Modi kotha kurgina pasta dangor decision logina Pakistan opor against krithakya report pailu ase. Aro Kashmir tension ja thakya issue miti government of Pakistan khan pi all trade with India direct and viva third country milagina political tension karni suspension kulobole jonai thakya khobor pailu ase aro NDTV sources ti Pakistani actor Fawad Khan upcoming Bollywood movie Abir Gulal ek kri thakya India te release na kurbo koina Union Ministry of Information and Broadcasting jonai dishe koina khobor pai thakya viewers khan ge jankari dia ase. Aji karni iman te khatam kri dia ase aro notun update karni stay tuned kri thakbole itupi viewers khan ge koi dia ase.